Excuse me. Right, yeah. As you can see, what we've had to do here, that tie bar's in the way. Okay, anti-roll bar, whatever you want to call it. Now, to line this up properly, like this, what we've had to do is I've had to jack this thing right up. So this bar came up because we couldn't screw it in straight. With them new ball joints, you know, the ball joint thing on the end, it's so stiff, you can't turn it. It really is that stiff when they're new. It shows how knackered the old ones were. But as you can see, to get this thing in straight, I've got the clips on. It's ready to install, basically. As you can see round here, we've just basically turned the end to screw it up, then we're going to get the spanner on it and tighten him up properly, alright? But not the easiest things to do. Luckily, there's so much force on this, it actually lifted it up off the main jack. So it shows how much force is actually involved in doing this. Okay, so lift this thing up. But we've done it, and now ready just to basically hook this thing back on here. Check the length of that again, because as you can see it's been messed up now. And or the other option, of course, take it back off and remeasure it, which might be a better idea.